Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my small project of Google AI agents intensive capstone project I've made Celestia modern mystical advisor. This is a small agent which uses your date of birth and your full name to calculate everything based on your personality. It calculates numerology chart by calculating your name, numbers, and your date of birth. In this project, I have uses a Gemini API key added in it, and for defined helper function for the proper display of the ADK. After this, I build a brain, the main part of my agent, in which I have added custom tools. This is the part. Here it starts, imports, and then the main functions, calculations, which can not easily be done by using a simple large language model, but with the help of this agent, it becomes very easy to calculate the life path number, destiny number, which this agent is used to calculate the archetypes, your personality. It can tell your career map, whatever you want. You can also add someone else's name and date of birth to know his or her personality. These are all instructions. In the end, I have launched ADK. Now I am opening the web ADK. Here we can type what you want. Let's say hello. Now it wants to know my date of birth and my name for proper calculations. If I know my name, I can only share it also, but I will share both. Shared my date of birth and name. Now it's telling me radiant star archetype. This means you have an innate ability to shine brightly, inspire those around you, etc. It can also tell my career, destiny, love vibe, or hidden talents find in me. I can ask from what I wanted to tell me the hidden talents on the positive side. Just wait a second. And intuitive, creativity, empathetic, communication, resilient, optimism. So this was all about my small agent. It was a solo project, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.